Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainy Bite. Today I'll show you how to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Let's get started. If your Instagram account was deleted over 30 days ago, it's considered permanently deleted, but there's still a way to recover it. Open your browser and type instagram.com/support in the search bar. Now tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and select Manage Your Account. Click the first option, scroll down, and below the Was This Helpful section, click No, then select Other. Here's the crucial part. You'll see a text box. You need to explain your situation clearly. Mention that your Instagram account was permanently deleted, provide details about why it happened, and state that you want to restore your account. Don't forget to include your Instagram username and the email address linked to your deleted account. This is important for verification. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit. Instagram support typically responds within 24 hours, and your permanently deleted account should be recovered. That's it, an easy way to get back your deleted Instagram account. Subscribe to Brainy Bite for more Instagram recovery tips. See you next time.